Are you a business owner, entrepreneur, or a freelancer juggling through multiple apps just to manage your day to day activities? Your wait is over, my friend. Hey guys, my name is Sean. Today I'm going to show you a powerful business management software called Flowlu. Flowlu is a complete suite of all project and business management tools, including CRM, invoicing, Kanban board, mind maps, team collaboration, and more. Flowlu is an alternate to Zoho and is ideally for small and medium-sized business owners who are looking to bring all the processes into one dashboard. Flowlu is currently running a crazy lifetime deal. To get this deal, click the link in the description. We are currently on Flowlu website, that is flowlu.com. So it's a business management software. In Flowlu there are many features like project and task, where you can manage projects, workflows. You can even have Gantt charts and Kanban. You can also track timings. You can add recurring tasks. You can also have checklist, custom field and list. You can also generate reports. In the financial and management and invoicing section, you can have invoices and estimates, invoice approvals. You can also have revenue expense reports, cash flow forecasting, recurring invoices, online payments, invoicing, and billable time. So in the customer relationship management section, you can manage opportunity sales funnels. You also can manage sales process automation. There is email sync, contact management, appointment and scheduling functions are also available. You can also have web forms and lead generation forms to collect leads. There is collaboration function where you can collaborate with your team members, as well as you can add your clients to the CRM. So you can message with each other in the form of group, as well as there is individual chat function available inside the team. You can also comment and mention. Instant notifications are available. You also get to use mind maps, where you can come up with ideas, discuss it, also collaborate with other team members. You can make a map of a very complex project and explain and also assign each and every part to your teammate. That thing is also possible here. There is project chat, which is a group chat, where all the people inside the assigned people in the group can collaborate and chat with each other. Also you get knowledge based software where you can write some articles explaining what needs to be done when this error is occurring, or when this task is executed, what functions should be taken place. All those things can be mentioned in the knowledge base section. And also you get agile project management, where you can report any bugs if you find in your software or anything. If I report some errors, that can be added in the Kanban chart, and also collaborated with the other teammates, where you can solve and have a great work environment in Flowlu. You can also get estimations, burn down charts, and custom project workflow. You also have integrations with G Suite, Gmail, Outlook, Stripe, where you can send invoices and collect payments via Stripe, PayPal. Also get Google Calendar sync, where if any event or any task has been assigned, you can directly sync it to Google Calendar as well. So now let's see other use cases here. There's a solution feature, where it says gives some use cases for each and every type of industry. For example, for marketing industry, this is how you can use Flowlu software. You can assign all the work projects individually with the time. You can track it and assign it to your teammates as well in this format. Like you can add each stages on your project workflow, saying to do, in progress, and done and completed task. Here also you can analyze each and every project based on their levels. And also you get to assign task management, where you can assign tasks to your colleagues or your team members, and also you can assign tasks for yourself as well. You also get to communicate with your clients. For example, if your client sends you an email, that if you had synced this Flowlu software with your Gmail address, it automatically comes and reflects on your client's dashboard. In this email section, it will be reflected. So then you have CRM automations, where whenever which task or whichever task occurs, it automatically gets updated based on your requirement. Whatever you have set up, it goes and gets automatically updated. In CRM automation, if you want to do any type of automation, that thing is possible. For example, you want if you're if a new customer sends you an email, it gets automatically updated in your CRM. Then you also get a function where you can automatically schedule a meeting with them, or you can set up a follow-up email with them, or have a call with them. That thing is possible. It gets automatically updated based on the conditions that are given to the CRM. In the invoicing and estimating section, you get to send invoices to your clients directly, and also collect payments via Square, Stripe, and other PayPal as well. So yes, then the knowledge base that I have explained already. So these are all the use cases for marketing department. You also can add this solution to IT department as well: building and construction, legal professionals, business consultation, you name it, everything they have covered here. So if you have any doubts, you can go check their website, that is flowlu.com. So currently now let's go to the pricing section. In the pricing section, they are offering 5 plans. That is, one is free, you get 2 users and 1 GB of storage. You also have team plan, where you get 8 users, 10 GB storage, which is $29 per month. And you get the business plan as well. You get 16 users, 50 GB storage, and $59 per month. And then professional plan, which covers 25 users and 100 GB storage, which is charged $119. Then comes enterprise level software, where you get unlimited users and 1 TB of storage and $119 per month. The special thing you get in enterprise is you get a custom domain and IP whitelisting. So yes, basically you get all these features in this based on these plans. As you know, Flowlu is currently running a lifetime deal on AppSumo, so let's check that out as well. So on AppSumo, they are currently giving away their professional plan for one-time price. So these are all the functions you're gonna get on AppSumo website. So there are some restrictions on users and GB, the storage, then rest of them are all the same. So let's check that out on AppSumo. So this is the offer page. You get to see that it's available for next 4 days. So by the time I upload this video, you can expect this up to 3 days. So yes, let's see what all features they are giving access to on this offer. So you can see user access group as well, that is available. Based on, you get 10 users here. You get unlimited project templates, then unlimited record listings. You get to have unlimited knowledge bases. So you get unlimited organization, but there's a catch. So if you have too many organizations, so there's a problem, like when you add a contact, it gets updated in all those organizations. So that there's one. Then you have extended report option. You get custom logos, so you can change the logo of your CRM to your company logo. So in this single code, you get 10 users and 100 GB storage, which is you get access to the professional plan. So in the double code, you get up to 20 users and 200 GB storage. In multiple option, you get up to 35 users and 350 GB storage and IP whitelisting. And other thing, recently they have even given an offer saying that they'll be giving custom domain feature on multiple three codes. So if you want to add this CRM to your domain ID, then you have to buy 3 codes. So you will be getting all these features here, including IP whitelisting. Also, they are offering up to 6 codes. So let's see what 6 codes gonna offer. You get custom domain, obviously. You get IP whitelisting, 1 TB of storage, and unlimited users, same as the enterprise level. So yes, this comes with one-time price. So you need not pay monthly subscription on Flowlu, which is great. So yes, let's now. So I suggest if you like this software, then you can buy this offer from my link, which is given in the description. So now let's head towards the Flowlu dashboard and see how it is from inside. So when you first log into Flowlu, you get a small onboarding process where they explain how you have to set up this account, as well as what you can expect with this Flowlu software. So everything is mentioned here. You can click and you will be given a small onboarding about how this function is used and how can you adapt in your company. So yes, you get them all in this onboarding feature here. Then let's move on to the feed section. In the company feed section, you get to send messages to all the people. Everybody in the company can see the company feed. So you can see all the recent discussion. If you have sent any small alerts, that everything comes here. So I've said welcome aboard for everybody, and also I have given a small polling here, which I have asked whether if they are enjoying Flowlu or not. So currently in this whole setup, I have 2 users, one as an admin, other test account as a user, so as an employee. So both of them get similar interfaces. You can disable based on your requirement as well. If you don't want to your employee to see certain functions, you can disable or revoke their access. That is available. I'll show you in a while. So you get all the tasks here, and also you get to see all the birthdays, recent birthdays or upcoming birthdays here. Then if you come to the above section of this menu, you get to see notification section where all the notification relating to your organization will be available. Also you can chat with your users. So I had a test user added to the CRM, so I can chat with them in the real time. Also here there is a mobile app, so yes, it works seamlessly. You can also add notes if you want. I have added notes saying call Mr. Carlos and at 7 p.m. So you can add multiple sticky notes as well. So yes, then let's go to the task section. In the task, we get to see all the recent tasks which are assigned to me or I have to complete. So you also get to see to-do list here. So basically everything you can go check it, or also you can set a new tasks. You can also assign it to somebody. You can set priority, attach files, you can assign to someone, you can add ownership, you can add deadlines, estimation time, everything is available. You can also add this as a Kanban board where in order to maximum the uh, efficiency of your organization, this is available. So you can directly drag and drop based on the levels of the project. So yes, so then let's move on to the CRM where you get all these funneling features here. So you get to add all the new opportunities, qualification, proposal and negotiation. You can add new fields if you want as well, but yes, for this I'm not going to do. I have added already. These are the samples which I have added. So you can, based on the recent levels or the movements of the levels, you can just drag and drop the project, and also you can assign it to your to other team members as well. You can just simply click on new opportunity and add the opportunity. You can add the opportunity amount, start date, end date and everything. So all the recent activities according to the opportunities can be tracked here. So you can add the recent activities. I have mentioned saying create a new mockup in the one of the website opportunities. So this is reflected here. Then you get to see all the organizations that are currently working with you are working with them. So James Carlos, I have added one of the client dummy client. So yes, you can see them here. And also in the contact section you can see James Carlos, because I have not added James Carlos as a contact. If I add a person, then it would be reflecting here. Then there is archive section where previous working projects or lost and won projects opportunities will be reflected here. So due to the privacy reasons, I have not added any information till now yet. So soon, once this review is completed, I'll be adding all the previous information to our CRM. So yes, now let's go to the project section. In the project section you get to see all your projects, ongoing projects and everything. So we have one project currently going on, that is James Carlos website, that is fashion website. So yes, it's the revenue is $83,000 and the expense would be $35,000. The starting date is, and then ending deadline is also mentioned clearly. So so my employee can easily keep a track of this project, and also how much deadline date is time is also available, that is also clearly mentioned here. So you also have project workflows which allows you to keep a track. Similarly, as I showed in the CRM, you also have Kanban boards here, so you can easily keep a track of your project and keep a clear eye on all the workflows. So in the workload section you can see which all employee has how much of workload, everything will be available. For now here I have test user, which is one of my colleague. So I have assigned two tasks. One is just flow task, which I can delete or I can archive it. So yes, this is the current project under Sean. So if I have multiple users available, so we can have a clear idea on who is free, who has no projects, who has project, who is currently working on which project. Everything can be kept track from this section here. In the finance section you can keep a track of all the invoices. You can generate invoices, you can wait for any unpaid invoices, everything can be seen here. So for James Carlos we have generated one of the invoice saying $88,365 which is not paid yet. So other $20,000 invoice which is retainer amount, actually it is 2,000, but I think I messed it up saying 20,000, which I'll change later. So if I want, I can directly change it from here. I can click on the invoice and edit it, and that change the amount to 2000. So this is the retainer amount that we charge our client. So those retainer charges which are charged monthly, so we can add them into the recurring invoice section, where I can add my membership charges would be so I'll just have to edit this. So my membership charges would be monthly $2,000. I want to charge my client just to keep our services going per month. So this much is the retainer that is my company is going to charge Mr. Carlos. And yes, you can create new one as well. So next, well, let's go to the estimate section. So here we can give estimates to our clients, like proposals can be sent from here. You also can have a custom template set, and also all the pricing, so that you need not enter it manually every time. So in the money section, we can collect money. You can add your bank account to this CRM, so you can have a clear idea on how much amount is in your bank and how much cash you are currently holding up. Everything can be seen here. So Mr. Carlos has paid $25,000 on advance, so this is reflected here. So you can see there is 22,000. I think there's some 3,000 expense done, so that's why it's showing us 22,000 here. So yes, we received 25,000. In the transactions section, we can see where the amount other 3,000 has gone here. You can see outflow is 3,000, that is repair and maintenance. For Mr. Carlos, we have already paid it, and 25,000 has received from Salesforce one. So this is all about finance. So now let's go to the files. In the file section, you can add folders of any projects that you want to be shared with all your clients. That can be done here. You can collaborate all the files, everything can be shared here, and also you can assign it to someone or remove their access. Everything can be done in this platform. You also get to see all the folders which are available on Flowloo currently. So there is zero files available. So yes, we can't do anything here. You can add more folders from here. So now let's go to the calendar section, where we can see all our recent events and recent tasks. Everything can be managed from here. Currently we have a scheduled call with Mr. Carlos at 7 p.m. today. So yes, this is how it's going to look. You can add new event by just clicking on that icon. You can add appointment call emails. You can set it, and you can add which calendar you want to add. You can say this is my current email ID, so yes, this is what you can add, or you can just add it to your company and click on save. In the my team section, you get to see all the current team members working with you in the company. Every details will be available here with their birthdays as well. Let's go to the agile project section now. Here you can add all the projects whichever you're working on. So agile project section is little bit confusing, so to make it more easier, I'll just go to the Flowloo official website and go to their agile section. So yes, this is how it looks. So you can keep a track of any, if you are into IT field and you have some bugs in your current ongoing software, then if your tester can report them in this agile board. So you can say app is crashing, or you can say there is some sidebar is not available, or this can be added here also. In the backlog section, you can keep all the track of the task, bug, or stories request can be handled in this section. You also get to add the issue types, that is bugs, task, and request. Also you can add your custom project flows. Also you can have everything, accurate estimations and time, how much current bugs are available, or how much these tasks are pending. Everything you can see from here. You also get to see, you also have a burn down chart which says how things are working day by day. And also you have this Kanban board, as I already mentioned. You can have a easy eye view on how these things are working. You can also collaborate individual issues with your other teammates as well. So everything can be done here. You also can reply or comment on this issue as well. So you also get instant notification. Also you can time track on how much time it took you to solve this issue. Everything can be done here. I'll show you now. So let's go back to the projects. So in this projects, I have added website as a project. So I have two issues here. I have detected two bugs saying menu not clickable and iOS menu is not functional. So yes, so I have created this issue type and I have added 5 estimation. and also assigned it to me, or you can assign it to your other work members as well. So yes, this is, you can have a category. You can also upload the image, so that your developers have clear idea on how they should work, or how this issue is going to look like. They get a clear picture. You can save it. Then you also can see all this in the board Kanban board view as well. So I've not created a board here, so you can create as well. If I create everything, this video is going to be a long one. So for that reason, I've just showed you the features from Flowlu website itself. So yes, you can add all the projects here in the agile projects and collaborate with your teammates. Then you also have a record list function, where it's kind of like a Excel sheet where you can maintain the records of your employees or third party contractors, or you can also add all the information about your clients in here. So I've done a small record list saying freelancers. So these are all the freelancers that I'm currently working with. So I have two freelancers working, that is Aaron and Chris, and their rates and their address can be added. So yes, this is how it works. Record list, kind of Excel sheet related. So you have knowledge base available, so you can create all the guidelines to your employees, so how they have to manage an issue, or how they have to reply to a customer, or how they have to send an email. Everything can be documented here, so that they can come back and refer and do the needful work. So then the mind map feature, which is I've already explained, so I'll just briefly explain and show you one of the example that I've done here. So for John Carlos website, so we have done a small mind map saying this is how the website should look. So this is not a clear view of this website, but yes, I've done a small just for demonstration purpose. So you have home, about us, story, shop, and contact us, and this is how it gonna look. So you can collaborate by commenting, and you can request a response from individual person. You can also add a follower, also add any third party client as well to this board, which is possible. You can go and edit, or you can add a new one as well. So then in the email section, for the privacy related issue, I have not connected my G Suite account on this. You can sync it directly. So what Flowlu does is, if your client sends an email, so it also saves a copy and gets updated in your CRM as well, just so that you get a clear view and keep all the emails in track. Also, you also have functions like you can track the openings and closings of the email, as well as clicks can be easily tracked by Flowlu. So you have time tracking function also available here. So you get to track time based on your projects, task, everything. Then you have in the report section, you get to have a clear view of all the tasks, projects, finances, everything. You can see the reports clearly. So if you go to the project section or the CRM, we'll go to the project section. So you get to see a clear chart saying how much expenses we have, how much budget, how much project amount, upcoming expenses, cash flows, everything is available here. So yes, so if we go to the finances dashboard, you get to see all the cash flows and cash in hand, everything can be seen. What is the expense, how we are spending currently, everything can be tracked from here. Then one more thing I had to show you. In the CRM section, you get to have a funnel. For example, you get to see how much projects have been entered from the funnel and how much they are going downwards. So you get to see new qualification, proposal, negotiation, and how much projects we have won currently. So yes, this is what you get in this reporting section. There are many more reporting options. You can check them out yourself. Then in the admin section, we have apps. So all these are apps, so you can individually enable and disable all these functions as well. So currently one of the item is currently uninstalled by me, that is products. As my business is towards services, we have no products, so I have uninstalled it. So if you want, if you are into manufacturing, then products, you can easily keep a track of your inventory. Everything can be done in this product section, so you can go and enable it. So then you have system settings, where you get to have your own URL. If you have for currently all the, if you are going to purchase 1 or 2 codes, then you have to get this. You can get a subdomain of Flowlu, that is your business name.flowlu.com, so you can access your company. So if you get 3 or more codes, then you will get features of adding custom domain. You can add your company details, you can add your time zone, your date format, your currency can be added here. You also, if you're buying 3 or more codes, you get IP whitelisting as well. So, and you can also change the logo from Flowlu to your business as well. So yes, you can also have an option to add all these functions, change it to your requirement. Everything can be done from here. So it's up to you how you customize your software to your likeness. So yes, that can be done from here. You also have webhooks, so you can connect to Zapier or Pabbly and make an automation based on your requirement. So yes, now let's go to the my subscription section, where I have currently bought one of the code from AppSumo. So I am be able to manage up to 10 users, and I have access to 100 GB of storage, and the rest all the features would be same for all the other features here. So yes, this is it. Then you have user management, where you get to where you get to manage all the users and assign them roles based on their designations. So you can add new employees and give them admin access, or you can authorize certain level of responsibilities on Flowlu. So in the roles section, you can see what all roles can be given. You can create a department and give roles accordingly. So this is if you want your normal employees to not get access to finance section, then yes, that is possible. This is pretty much it, guys. This is what Flowlu comes with. This is all-round software which helps you manage all your tasks in a single platform. So if you are interested, I would highly recommend you buying at least one code. If you are into business, then this is a really good deal currently going on AppSumo. So if you are interested and you want to buy this software, you can find the link in the description. That is dmfever.me/Flowlu. So yes, so on this note, I'll end this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also comment if you have any doubts. I will reply them surely. So yes, thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.